Jai Srimanarayana, 16th sloka of first chapter Bhagavad Gita. Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthiraha Nakulaha Sahadevascha Sughosha Manipushpakau. Good amount of preparation brings good amount of confidence in undertaking any of projects. Also, Sri Krishna Paramatma gives his final message in 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, saying that, "O my dear child, please come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry." Now let us say, "O Srimanarayana, I shall do my best preparation before undertaking any project. O Srimanarayana, I shall come to you, surrender to you alone. Karishye vachanam tava." Sri Krishna asks, "Mamekam saranam vraja." We say, "Karishye vachanam tava." Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Suka Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Vamana asked for 3 feet of land from Bali Chakravarti." Then Bali Chakravarti saying to Vamana like this, "Aho brahmana daya daha vachaha te vruddha sammataha tvam balaha balisamatihi." Oh my dear Brahmana, you are a small boy, but your words, the words that you spoke, are such a big words, and those words are usually spoken by great enlightened people. You are speaking like that. But your thought process is totally filled up with ignorance. You do not know what to ask. Mam vachobhihi samaradhya. You have really pleased me with your sweet words, but you are asking only 3 feet of land. Do you realize who am I? Lokanam Ekaishwaram. I am the master of all these worlds. Dvipadasusham. You should have asked some part of this entire earth. I could have easily given that one to you. But you are asking just 3 feet of land. That means you are not smart at all. You don't have enough buddhi. Like that, Bali Chakravarti is saying to Vamana. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ 16th శ్లోక. అనంత విజయం రాజా కుంతీపుత్రో యుధిష్ఠిరః నకులः సహదేవశ్చ సుఘోషమణిపుష్పకౌ. అనంత విజయం రాజా కుంతీపుత్రో యుధిష్ఠిరః నకులः సహదేవశ్చ సుఘోషమణిపుష్పకౌ. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.